Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So it is Sunday afternoon guys, and it's very lovely day outside. I am with my little girl Paris. Will say hi? Say hi. Come on, let's go to the car. So Daddy is unwell guys, so he's staying at home, but Paris and I are going out. Yeah honey. So we're on our way to Chadstone shopping center because yesterday I went shopping there, and then one of the top actually still got the security tag thingy. So I'll see if I can show you. Yes honey. So this is what I'm talking about guys. This one. So obviously the lady forgot to remove it. So it's already, I think, what time is it now, Nak? It's 1:30 in the afternoon, guys. So Paris and I we're going. Yes, honey. Well, we're gonna take the car, not the scooter. Yeah, to get that removed, guys, and we'll take you with us. So see you again soon. Good job. Push it with your leg now. Push. Push the ground. Ay, pataka. So guys, we're here now. I just parked and little Paris is sleeping. So I'm just gonna take the pram out and set everything up, and then take Paris out, and hopefully I won't wake her up guys, because she's gonna go crazy if that happens. But yes guys, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing like pink top, and guess what, I'm so pink today guys. I'm wearing my pink bag as well, so yes guys, I'll see you again soon. So guys, Paris was crying when I tried to put her down in the pram. Oh, where are we going down? But yeah, I think she's back to normal now. But yeah, we're just finding Bardo. And it's here. She's going. So this is what I'm talking about guys. So I've done it already guys, and the lady took it off for me, which is really good, but she was actually asking for the receipt, but guys, so stupid, I didn't bring the receipt with me. Luckily she was okay with that, so she just took it and gave it back to me straight away. So now I'm on my way to Mecca Maxima, because if you watch my what I got for Valentine's Day video, Daddy got me a gift voucher for Mecca Maxima, and I'm gonna go get some pressed powder guys, and that's worth $50. I know the pressed powder is going to cost more, but you know, $50 will go towards that, which is good. And I'm just in front of actually Tesla, and then there's Mecca Maxima next to it. I just ordered Daddy some food guys from Thailand. That's the name of the shop. So after here guys, I'm just gonna go to Chemist Warehouse to grab some drops for my eye, because I have dry eyes guys. But before we came here to the food court, we went to Morphe guys. Is that Morphe? I don't know how to pronounce it, but I bought like a contour stick. That's what it looks like. and also a lipstick. So I got this both for $44 guys, so it's $22 each I think. But yes, I'm just waiting for the food guys so we can go home. There's one Suki baby. I told you I just ordered, see? Taro milk tea. Be patient na. Patience is a virtue. Look, sleepy baby. Yung bata. So I got Paris in the car now guys. She's having a milk tea. Ooh! The yummy in the tummy. Now.